Hi, you know what? Sometime in our office, in our school, in tuition, in any academy, we look more intelligent comparison to our teacher, coach, boss. But you have to stop this habit right now, because if you are doing these things repeatedly, your boss, your coach, your teacher will feel insecure. They feel you are the enemy of them, you are the like danger thing for them, and you have to replaced by them. So you have to stop this habit. If you are good enough comparison to your boss, teacher and coach, still you have to stop to show people. I'm not saying these things, this book saying these things in a first chapter. You have to stop right now. If you are good enough, you have to show this happening because of your boss. And what will be happening? You are thinking why you will do these things if you are the good enough. So this is things you have to do these things because your boss will say proud, like you make some presentation in your office and you said this is happening because my boss is good enough and he helped me, he gives the way and he give me the direction. So it is the all about my boss and it is happening because of him. So your boss will be impressed and your like promotion, you are the you can the you can getting the promotion by your boss. So you have to do these things.